Hello traders, we're back. Cryptocurrency market. What an incredible move we had on the Bitcoin just last Friday, guys. I'm so excited about this. You know, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I think in the case of the Bitcoin here, a picture is worth 1,000,000 words, right? We were talking about the massive key level, Fibonacci key level 61.8 at 11,410. Right, and we said that basically we started to notice that huge spike starting to form day in, day out. It was starting to form, and we started to suspect that price is coming back all the way just to finish up that week back above 11,410. Right, that was the suspicious. Now I want to remind you, when we were looking at the week before, right, take a look at the close here. I mean, it's so tight, it's ridiculous. It's 11,411, just 1 point above this massive 61.8 Fibonacci key level. But it did suggest that price was actually able to break through, right? Then we saw that huge move on the downside, but when it started to show up that spike, we kind of figured out that that was just a bearish trap, right? That's what it was. So price came back all the way. And take a look at this beautiful close at 11,504, pretty decisively enough above that level, suggesting that there you go, we're beyond that spot, we're beyond that resistance. I think that's a powerful pivotal point. And the fact of the matter is that you can actually see price hanging right on that key level just now as we speak. So to me, that spells out continuation of this massive upside trend began around the beginning of 2019, right? Probably around February, price began to actually lift off. It was kind of bottoming out throughout November, December, and January. At February, began to lift off, and ever since then, this positive momentum has been unbelievable. Now, once we've gone back up or above, 11,410 here, I think we're just going to continue moving upwards. So at this point, we're placing our stop loss level tighter at 9,675, right? That's pretty tight. It's just a tad below the significant low we had here about a week ago, right? It should be enough for us. Don't forget, we're kind of hiding below 11,410 as our main protection level, right? But we definitely expect price to begin and build up some positive momentum. Definitely expecting price to remain above 11,410 by the end of the week. It might dip a little bit, right? It might dip below for a couple of days, but it's massively important that price will come back up and close the week back above 11,410 for us to keep carrying on our bullish position here. Don't forget, we're aiming at 13,346. We've already been there. That's the 76.4 last Fibonacci correction. We're talking about, the Fibonacci corrections with regards to the whole bear market that ran across 2018, right? So that's the last line of resort, 76.4. Beyond that, which is 15,732, guys. Beyond that, basically we're gonna go straight, challenging that that last high we had at 20,000. Pretty sure we're gonna be able to break out and create a new high, right? A new territory for the Bitcoin. But for now, I have to say, we're still by definition in the range of a technical correction, right? As long as we're trading below 76.4%, right here, 1573.2, we're still by definition in a technical correction phase. I'm talking about correction for the previous downside move, right? Okay, guys, so it's really becoming increasingly interesting lately in the last few days. And I'll have to come back, right? Because all boils down to the battle that goes down right now again with price against that 11,410, which is the 61.8 Fibonacci correction. All right, we'll have to come back. So that's about that for the Bitcoin. See you in the next video.